your girl Kimberlyn XO. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure that you guys stop and subscribe and turn on that notification bell to be updated every time that I post. Today I'm bringing you guys another ColourPop lipstick review. I feel impelled to purchase the ones that actually touch my heart. Last time they launched the Disney Princess collection, which I love Disney characters. So this time they launched the Disney Villains collection, and I felt impelled to give y'all an honest review. So I'm gonna stop rambling on and jump straight into this video. So this is how the packaging looks on the new ColourPop Disney Villains lipstick collection. They named it Misunderstood, and they have all the lipstick names on the back. The Evil Queen, Hades, Dr. Facilier, Cruella, Maleficent, and Ursula. And then this is how the artwork looks on each lipstick. I'm really impressed with the artwork that they did for these characters. Look at Cruella's nostrils, like, she looks pissed AF. I'm so excited to try these out. So just for the 6 lipsticks, it's $48, which is $8 a lipstick, unlike the last collection, which is $42 and $7 a lipstick. They did go up $1 on each lipstick, and it is currently still available online, you guys. This isn't a sponsored video. I bought these myself. Today for this, I'm gonna go from lightest to dark because I feel like once I put on a light lipstick, it's really easy to remove it, and once I put on a dark lipstick, my lips are basically stained for the whole entire rest of the video. So on their website, the lightest shade looks like it's Hades. For some reason, it looks like they chose to use a peach shade for this, which I don't know how you'd come up with that color decision when Hades is blue, and even the fire on his head is usually blue, but I'm still excited because I didn't want to wear blue lipstick anyway. And this is his really cute little packaging. It is so adorable. Something about Disney characters just gives me that nostalgic feeling of being a child again. I had like the best childhood, you guys. And this is how the tube looks. In comparison to their last collection, their characters are more focused on just the faces this time, not the full glamorous figure, which, I mean, what do you expect? It's just a villain. They don't have that much glam to them anyway. And the tubing that they're in is a lot different also. For the Disney princesses, they decided to use gold packaging, and for the villains, they decided to use black, which fits. So I'm going to start off with a swatch. This shade is actually really, really beautiful in person. I can't wait to see it on. And that's just one pass. I'm going to pass over it one more time. So it does look like a nice mauve-y peach shade. I don't know exactly how this is going to look on my complexion, but here we go. So for starters, I have to say it's the same exact Luxe formula that they used for the last collection. It's very creamy and it is very pigmented. Personally, I do not like this shade on my skin tone. I think this will look better on lighter skin tones, or even if you do decide to wear this on a darker skin tone, try to line it with a little bit of lip liner, because I feel like whenever you do like an ombre lip with darker lip liner, any light shade works just fine with it. The color payoff on both the swatch and my lips are really good though, but this is a cream lipstick, so it's not very transfer proof, but all in all, it's a really nice, light, peachy tone. If you guys want something nice and peachy to wear for like the spring, this would be it. So the next lightest shade that they have is Dr. Facilier, and this one also says that it's a cream lipstick. And here's how his little packaging looks. Again, just another super cute and creative design. And that was actually really easy to remove. Now for another swatch. I can already see that this one is going to be much darker than the previous shade that I used. And it's kind of like a dark, deep blush mauve shade of pink. Here's one pass. That actually looks really good. I don't even want to pass again. And here's 2. So with the cream lipsticks, you can definitely build up the color payoff on these. This is so pretty. On my lips, it's a lot lighter than it is compared to the swatch that I got on my wrist, but this is such a pretty shade. It actually has a lot of warm red undertones to it. I think this shade would be absolutely perfect for the fall, but at the same time, it's not too dark, so I feel like you can wear it during the summer also. I'm so in love with this. This one is my favorite out of the 2. On to the next shade in this collection, I'm going to be trying on Maleficent, which looks like it's going to be a bright neon pink shade. Another swatch. This shade of pink is absolutely stunning. I usually don't like very bright shades of pink, but this one isn't that bright. It's more on the dark shade. Again, another vibrant color, so something for the summer or the spring. And this one is also in a cream formula, so far all three that I've tried on have been in cream, and I'm still impressed. The next brightest shade we have is a very bright and vibrant shade of red, and that is Cruella. So here is Miss Cruella. As I said before, they made her look so upset with her nostrils flared out like that. Good job, you guys. Like, this just makes me think I'm about to put on something really vampy. And this one is also a cream lipstick. And then the last two shades in this collection are matte lipsticks. So this is how Cruella looks. It says villains carved into it. That's so creative. Another really vibrant, beautiful shade by them. This shade of tomato red screams Cruella de Vil to me. I am in love with it. It's very bright and vibrant. It makes me want to dress up like Cruella. There's not much that I have to say about it. It kind of speaks for itself. If you guys are into really bright, vibrant tomato shades of red, this would be perfect for you. And I actually believe that it looks better on my lips than it does in the swatch. But this is how it looks up close. Now moving on to their mattes. The next shade that I'm going to be using is Evil Queen, and this is how the packaging looks for her. Let's see how this matte formula pays off. It kind of has like a pink undertone to it. Okay, so this is the first matte lipstick formula that I have tried by ColourPop, and I can definitely see how it's matte. It doesn't feel too drying, but it doesn't feel anything as creamy as the cream lipsticks. I'm not matte with this formula at all. My lips still feel super moisturized, and the color payoff is still amazing. Plus, this shade of red is one of my favorites. It's very close to a wine red, which is my favorite type of red to wear on my lips. And it still looks amazing in comparison to the swatch. So this is how it looks up close. Now the last color that I have to try on is another matte, and this one is Ursula. This is how her packaging looks. That actually looks exactly like her. They did another really good job creating that character on the packaging. And this one looked like it was the darkest shade in the collection. I don't know if this is a deep brown or a burgundy shade, but it's definitely the darkest shade in the collection. That is so pretty. Okay, so this is just like one go. As you can see, it goes on a little bit patchy. So I'm just gonna apply a second layer to my bottom lip. Poor unfortunate souls. I'm getting Ursula vibes from this color, you guys. It definitely did go on patchy with the first pass, but I went over it again and it looks pretty good. A nice deep burgundy type of shade. In comparison with the swatch, it's pretty spot on. I think this one would be perfect for the fall though. So that is all that I got for this review, you guys. If you have any other type of video requests, make sure to let me know and I'll get those out for you guys. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.